my holiday card to a tumbling leaf. Each morning you arrive unannounced, spinning past the window as though checking on me. I sip my coffee, and the warmth reminds me how kindly you fall through the cold. I hold my mug, thinking of you, how even the quietest travelers make their way with such grace. In the cupboard, I search for a card. Something simple, something soft. A place to write a few small wishes for a leaf brave enough to tumble. And when I finally find one, I sit, pen in hand, and write, "Thank you for the gentle visit. Thank you for drifting rather than breaking. May your next landing be kind. This is my holiday card to you, little wanderer." A note carried not by wind, but by warmth.